Welcome back! In 2026, can a phone from 2019 still be considered pro? Let's test the iPhone 11 Pro's real-world value today.
The build is incredible. With its surgical-grade stainless steel and matte glass back, it feels just as premium as today's modern flagships.
The Super Retina XDR OLED display delivers deep blacks and great contrast. Even in 2026, movies and photos look vibrant and sharp.
With 800 nits typical brightness, it handles outdoor sunlight like a champ. The color accuracy remains top tier for editing on the go.
The only downside is the 60Hz screen. While not as smooth as modern 120Hz displays, it's still responsive and perfectly fine for standard tasks.
Don't underestimate the A13 Bionic. It still breezes through social media, web browsing, and heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat in 2026.
Apps open fast and the interface feels snappy. Apple's software optimization keeps this older hardware performing like a modern mid-range phone.
One of the biggest perks? It supports iOS 26, meaning you get the latest security updates and full app compatibility for your daily needs.
The triple camera system is the star. With ultra-wide, wide and telephoto lenses, you have the flexibility to shoot anything, anywhere.
Photos are crisp, detailed, and have that classic natural look. It captures excellent dynamic range that easily beats many modern budget phones. The iPhone 11 Pro's portrait mode uses that LiDAR scanner to create an incredible depth map. Check out the beautiful, natural background blur it achieves here.
Night mode changed the game for Apple, and it still performs well today, brightening up low-light scenes without adding too much noise.
It shoots 4K at 60 FPS with cinematic stabilization. For content creators on a budget, this is still one of the best value cameras available.
Switching between lenses is smooth. The color science remains consistent across all three cameras, ensuring your videos look unified and professional. Battery health varies by unit, but with a fresh battery replacement, you can easily get through a full day of moderate, mixed usage. It supports fast charging, getting you back to 50% in about 30 minutes. It also has wireless charging for added desk-side convenience. It's a reliable workhorse. From its IP68 water resistance to the rock-solid Face ID, it keeps your data safe and stays functional anywhere. The main drawback in 2026 is the lack of 5G. You are limited to 4G LTE, which is still fast but not future-proof for high-speed networks.
The base model starts at 64 gigabytes, which fills up quickly today. If you choose this, look for the 256GB or 512GB storage tiers. Keep in mind that original Apple parts are becoming scarcer. If you buy one, find a reputable seller with a good warranty.
At under $200, you are getting an OLED screen, triple cameras, and a premium build. Specs that many new budget phones don't even offer.
Compared to new cheap smartphones, the 11 Pro offers a much better build quality and camera experience for the same low price. And
it maintains that pro feel. It's an easy transition if you're already in the Apple ecosystem with an Apple Watch or AirPods. This is for young adult students, travelers, and anyone wanting a high-end camera and premium feel without spending $1,000 on a new device.
It proves that good hardware lasts. If you don't need 5G or gaming-level AI, this phone will serve you reliably for a few more years.
If you want the cheapest way to get a pro-level triple camera and a gorgeous OLED screen on iOS, the 11 Pro is still a great buy.
With software support still active, you aren't just buying a vintage phone. You are buying a functional, secure, and modern-capable device. The iPhone 11 Pro is a testament to Apple's engineering. It's not just a legacy device, it's still a true pro in the right hands.
Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the iPhone 11 Pro below.